Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing a Plarail Thomas. Because I've been in desperate need of a new Thomas. This video is going to be uncut, by the way, and sorry if the video comes out bad, but I had to do this all in one try. Now, I actually just got this package yesterday, and I've been waiting to open it for you guys. Okay, package open. Thomas right there. Let's pull him out. Now, all the time I hear a bunch of people say these little foam blocks right here are always good to have. I don't really ever use them. I just throw them away most of the time. Now I just gotta get Thomas out of his prison, basically. There we go. Now here he is in his glory. I think the model looks really good. They added printing instead of sticker details. The face looks pretty good. They have a white running board. So that's a plus always. They got the little printed sticker. Now let's get Annie and Clarabelle out. Here's Annie. I mean, we already know what she looks like. I already have Annie and Clarabelle because I actually used to have one of these things, but I'm pretty sure I donated it before I wasn't into Thomas anymore, and then I got back into it. Oops. There's Clarabelle. She's basically. She's okay. So yeah, I think Plarail did a good job handling Thomas and Annie and Clarabelle. So hopefully you guys liked this unboxing video. Now let's get to the Hey guys, so overall it's a really good model. I recommend you get it. You can get that stuff, you can get it on eBay for pretty cheap. I wouldn't really recommend Amazon, it's usually a lot of money. But so, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I have a special announcement. This is going to be my last YouTube video where I'll be showing my face, so I'm only going to be doing faceless content. So please like and subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you guys for watching this video.